cut a flat bottom for the melon to stand on.
It's standing what?
Oh, okay. Then we will cut off the top of the melon. We need to use an ice cream scoop. Scoop up.
Wow. Just scoop up every single thing.
It just say that scoop out the fruit. I think can scoop everything because we need the juice in it.
That's really good.
Wow!
Now I'm starting to
Juicy!
feel.
Empty! Okay, alright, let's start the blending. Yummy! Ooh! Let's add the milky melon soda.
Okay, pop.
Hey, the soda looks so milky.
So sweet! Nice!
Wow.